Welcome to the Salmon Runs YouTube. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to make sauce using tomato paste. First, gather your essential ingredients. A 6-ounce can of tomato paste, a couple of tablespoons of olive oil, a few cloves of garlic, and your favorite dried herbs like oregano and basil. You'll also need a medium saucepan and a wooden spoon. This simple base is the foundation for a rich and flavorful sauce. Next, let's build flavor. Heat about 2 tablespoons of olive oil in your medium saucepan over medium-low heat. Once shimmering, add 3 minced garlic cloves. Sauté the garlic gently for about 1 minute, just until it becomes fragrant. Be careful not to let it brown, as burnt garlic can taste bitter. This step releases wonderful aromas that will infuse your sauce. Now for the star ingredient. Add the entire 6-ounce can of tomato paste to the saucepan with the garlic and oil. Stir it continuously, pressing it against the bottom of the pan. Cook the paste for 5 to 7 minutes over medium-low heat. This crucial step, often called caramelizing the paste, deepens its flavor and removes any raw, metallic notes, creating a richer sauce. Finally, let's bring it all together. Gradually stir in about 1 1/2 cups of water or vegetable broth, along with your dried herbs like 1 teaspoon of oregano and 1/2 teaspoon of basil. Bring the mixture to a gentle simmer, then reduce the heat to low. Let it cook for 15 to 20 minutes, allowing the flavors to meld. Season with salt and freshly ground black pepper to taste, and your delicious sauce is ready.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.